Hello, my healers and creatives, my wonderful entrepreneurs. My name is Kaylee, and just to give you a little bit background about who I am and how this course came about. So I'm an accountant. I actually started my career in accounting about 15, 16 years ago. And I really approached it as an accountant. I was there to just learn about how money worked and, did my job and I just thought it was going to be a bunch of balancing numbers and a little bit of math, and that was where my career was headed. I wasn't really I wasn't really good at speaking. I wasn't really good at relationships with other humans, but I was really, really good at sitting down and crunching numbers. So that's where I wanted to be for my entire career. And then as I grew through my career, I started to notice that the financial world really didn't support financial health or education or understanding or even dealt with the human behind the numbers. It was very reactive. It was very transactional. There wasn't any energy exchange. And seeing entrepreneurs year over year feeling really discouraged and really confused and even sometimes getting taken advantage of from the people that they trusted because they don't know what questions to ask, I really wanted to change things. And it wasn't until I became yoga certified that I started on my energetic journey through chakras and yoga nidra, lucid dreaming, all these different things that I brought into my own healing personal journey with money. And then into this business, basically. So I created this business having taken that energetic healing space of what the heck is money? And then also grounding with this accounting space of okay, this is how it works as a concept. And then this is how it works as a relationship. And how do we bring them together? Because once you become an entrepreneur, you can no longer ignore the fact that this is something you have to pay attention to. When we were working corporate, it wasn't a big deal. You get a W-2, you live within your means. Maybe you don't live within your means, you work with that. And it was much more simplified version of going through life when it came to money and budgeting. And on the entrepreneurship side, especially as healers, as we have an intrinsic relationship to money, it's okay, now I'm in charge of this money on a business perspective as well as a personal perspective. And I don't really know how to apply those to it just becomes really confusing and overwhelming. So my main journey here in this lifetime is to guide more healers through owning a business confidently. And that confidence builds through understanding how money works and how to make the money work for them. So I come in and educate you on things like QuickBooks, accounting, finance, and now this course as well, which is cash flow. So this is a space where it all comes together and we move through this as a space of understanding more about yourself, more about your money, and more about where your money is going. And I've seen really magical change with my clients. I've also seen big struggle right before that magical change. So keep in mind that this is a journey. This is a journey that we are going to take together. And I know how to guide you because I've been on this journey personally. And I've come equipped with some skills that most people don't get to have before they move into their healing journey, which is through the accounting space. So we bring it all together. And this is one of the courses that I feel very connected to because I felt like it was something I had to create from taking in the whole world of money and bringing it into a process where it actually finally made sense. So if this is something you can relate to, then you're going to love working with me because we bring in kind of both the lightness to it and then also the strategy and the hardcore facts, and we bring it all together. So that's more of my journey. And I love to share this with you. I have tons of resources, tons of blogs. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me at support@coachingwithkaylee.com. And looking forward to catching you on the next video.